What have you got if you haven't got love?
Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another veggie tips and tricks video. It has been a hot minute since I have done a hair tutorial, but the other day I posted this story and I got so many messages asking me how I did my hair, and to be honest, it's because I've been watching way too much Nip Tuck, and there's a character on Nip Tuck called Kimber. She has very Marilyn-esque hair. It's sort of 90s does 50s, and she regularly in the casual scenes sports this sort of half updo, like she's just shoved some clips in her hair at the back, but it looks so effortlessly glam that it's become my now go-to easy hairdo. So I shall share it with you guys. Okay, so step one. You guys are gonna need to curl your hair. Now, I know I always get asked, how do I need to curl my hair? This is a casual updo. Remember when Dita Von Teese said you should all have a 5-minute updo that you go for when you don't have time to do your hair? For her, it's the chignon. This is kind of that for short hair. It is a very quick do. So you can pin curl your hair, you can use hot rollers, you can use tongs, you can use your straightener to curl, like whatever you want. They just need to be sort of medium-sized curls. I would not use sponge rollers because they're going to give you a really tight frizzy curl, which won't look right for this look. So there you go. I have just literally rolled everything down and these ones are rolling this way. That is it. It's very simple. Curlers out, we just have curly hair. I'm just going to run my fingers through it. Super simple, like so. Okay. Now I'm going to add some teas to this part to give it some lift because we want plenty of volume through the top here. I'm just going super fast about this, and it's sort of a messy do, so you can afford to be a little bit, you know, haphazard about it. It's kind of almost got that like 60s Bridget Bardot vibe. I mean, it's technically a 90s hairstyle, but it's got the glam 50s vibe as it was very much inspired by the mid 20th century and by the likes of Marilyn Monroe, so. And I am teasing at the back, so lifting up and teasing at the back because the hair is going to be swooped back into a bouffant, so that's where we want the volume. Otherwise you're gonna see the tease. Just sort of want to smooth it out. Don't brush too much through the ends because you don't want to get rid of these ringlets because they're important for the hairstyle. I'm just sort of brushing these bits under but encouraging these sort of like individual curls, and I want these little curls that sit in front of the ear to be out and as curly as possible. So let's find those. Bring them down a little bit. We will work them with some hairspray later, but let's try and encourage that curl back into the hair. On this front section, I want some piecey bits that stay out. And then we're gonna take this sort of back section and lift it and pin it up at the back, like so. So at this point you want to sort of work all of the hair backwards apart from some little pieces around your face that you want to frame your face with. So you want to keep that height in the hair. Then you're going to get something like bobby pins or these little combs, and we're going to take the hair just from behind these little tendrily sections and lift it up and tuck a little comb in to keep as much height as possible, like so. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Then just play with your little tendrily bits around your face to make sure you're happy with them. I like to keep the back section nice and curly. Like, it is really just a quick, easy updo that looks glamorous and like you put a lot of effort in, but you didn't. Once it gets to a point that you are happy with, spray the shit out of it. Et voila! That is the final outcome from the back. A little close up for you guys. There you go. So I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget, you can always comment and like to support my channel. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below. And you can of course come and follow me over on TikTok and Instagram. I'm at Miss B Townsend everywhere. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!